Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about the latest tech releases, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into everything we know about the upcoming Apple iPad Mini 7. With fall just around the corner, Apple is gearing up to unveil some exciting updates to their iPad lineup. We'll explore the anticipated features, design changes, and performance upgrades of the iPad Mini 7, along with some intriguing leaks about the iPad Mini Pro. So, let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the design of the iPad Mini 7. If you're familiar with the iPad Mini 6, you'll notice that the new model retains a similar compact form factor. Apple is known for its iterative design approach, and the iPad Mini 7 will likely build on the successful design of its predecessor. Expect a sleek and portable tablet that's perfect for on-the-go use. One of the most anticipated aspects of the iPad Mini 7 is its display. The iPad Mini 7 will feature an LCD panel rather than the OLED display some users were hoping for. While an OLED upgrade would have been a significant leap, the LCD screen will still deliver vibrant colors and sharp visuals suitable for most tasks. For those hoping for an OLED display, there's some good news. Apple is expected to include OLED screens in future iPad models, potentially starting with the iPad Air and further extending to the iPad Mini lineup by 2026. When it comes to performance, the iPad Mini 7 will not feature the latest M-series chips, but it will be powered by the A17 chip. This chip is the same one found in the iPhone 15 Pro, providing a solid balance between performance and power efficiency. The A17 chip should offer a smooth user experience for everyday activities like browsing the web, streaming videos, and running productivity apps. One area where the iPad Mini 7 might fall short compared to other devices is in its AI capabilities. The iPad Mini 7 will use the A17 chip, which doesn't support some of the advanced AI features found in newer M-series chips. This means that while the iPad Mini 7 will perform admirably in most tasks, it might not offer the same level of AI-driven functionalities as some of Apple's higher-end models. As for when you can get your hands on the iPad Mini 7, Apple is expected to announce the device in the fall, alongside other new releases. While the exact release date is still under wraps, it's reasonable to expect the iPad Mini 7 to hit the market in late 2024. Pricing for the iPad Mini 7 will likely be in line with previous models, making it a competitively priced option for those looking for a high-quality tablet without spending a fortune. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the iPad Mini 7 and the latest updates in Apple's iPad lineup. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.